How to fix voice record in Messenger app. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix voice record in Messenger app. So guys, for this you have to go to your mobile settings, and then now you have to go to your mobile settings, and then you have to go to install app or app management or app manager. You have to go anywhere, and then I will go to install app, and then we have to search for Messenger. Here is it. Click on Messenger, and first you have to click on storage, and then you have to clear all the cache here, all the data or cache here. And then now go back, and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and then you can see here microphone. You have to allow this, and then go back to your menu. And even the if the problem is not working, you have to uninstall the application and reinstall it. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.